back to the Sledgehammer's Edge universe, and I am so excited. I'm launching this community on the 2nd of Jan. That's just 2 days away from now, on Sunday at 7 p.m. You know what's really fascinating, exciting about this? This was my dream. This was my dream to create a universe of collective wisdom where people like you can walk in, get empowered, think from a higher level of consciousness, and create orbit shifting realities out of your dreams. And what's even more fascinating, that this dream come true moment, which is happening on the 2nd of Jan at 7 p.m., is my dream to make every dream of yours come true. That is really, really passionately exciting for me. And I will not only tell you about this entire community, but I will first host a free workshop on personal branding for you. Personal branding is very, very serious business. You're a brand or you're a commodity. Let's traverse this personal brand workshop together this Sunday too. Till then, stay safe, stay inspired. See you soon.